These two worlds are connected, like a pair of twins. For one to survive, the other must be sacrificed.
You know, literally I just saw it on the store for £6, so I was like, oh, may as well. But I looked at the graphics, seem to be, you know, really good, so I guess it's sort of a test of what the Series X can do, or the next gen consoles can do.
Shelia, have you found anything?
I mean, I'm looking at it now and it's
just a special
really
ID
good.
card. Nothing else that I can see.
Roger that. I'm on my way.
Who it is.
Keep in touch.
Oh, Jesus.
It's so unstable. I need to hurry up and stop the teleporter.
Right, there we go.
Shelia, an unidentified unit is heading toward the laboratory.
Good. Yes.
Shelia, are you okay?
The situation.
Hurry up! Hang on. I'll be right there.
Aim is a toggle for some reason. Did you take that? Jesus. Beefy for no reason other than miss. The fuck killed me there? I just dropped dead.
Shelia, are you okay? Hold position. Hang on. I'll be right there.
He explodes on death. Nice. Oh god, this menu's a bit. I guess game settings. Right. Okay. There we go. Aim. Hold. There we go. Hold. And yeah, switch that all to hold. There we go. That's much better.
So this is the control system. There may still be time. Huh? No way.
How do these guys turn?
Long time no see, Shelia.
Carter, why are you...
I advise you to stay out of this matter. Wake was as stubborn as you are.
What the hell happened here? Where am I? How amazing! Could this be the floating island hidden at the North Pole?
Floating island hidden.
What's that light? It's the light from the lab. I'll go check it out. It looks like someone used to live here.
Why did he just explode? Okay, that died easier than I thought it would.
Is that an... It looks like it's flying toward the light.
Need to up the aim sensitivity. The settings on this game are all weird.
Grapple should be able to get into the other side. The entrance to a cave. Where does it lead?
Better running speed. Use a cursor on console, you know, I'll overlook it. Ah, let's go for that.
All these soldiers' remains. What happened here? Oh shit! An ambush! just like the doctor said. They're fine.
May have upset my sensitivity a little too much.
The murals on the wall must be connected to these symbols on the ground. These symbols on the rotating disc must be the key. How does the... Nailed it. It's dark in here. I need to turn on my flashlight. Is that Carter's men? It looks like they found the beam, too. I have to hurry and catch up. These monsters don't seem very friendly. This cave is about to collapse. I have to find a way out of here.
I was trying to jump over that, not jump into it. That looked particularly stupid without my thought process there to justify it. And then again, without the horrible sorry, dogs.
The teleporter in the lab is still on.
Christ, man. Getting caught in this game is not a good thing.
The teleporter in the lab is still on. This looks like a secret passage. The light in the room reacted to my device.
This game's pretty good, isn't it? The graphics are
The
really
reaction is
quite-
growing more and more
Yeah,
intense.
that-
Is this the lost forest the doctor mentioned? A person? I have a bad feeling.
Well, you can watch my stream if you want to see how the game looks. What's that meant to mean? Watch your stream while you're lying down.
Here he comes. to hurry toward the light.
Okay, that's not a... that's definitely just a bonfire from Dark Souls then.
It looks like he's controlling the black mist. I think I can get down safely.
Damage. Release aim if build an enemy. Lightning was lightning. Releases lightning. Ah, cool. Let's get lightning. I wanna be a Sith. Can I not? Oh, I can't. Oh, unlock time free. There. Unlock time freeze first. Okay, I guess.
Oh shit! It's starting to collapse!
Got my weapon to reload. Lizard goblin man.
Stay alert! There's treasure under the stone tablet. Do whatever it takes to find it.
Looks like they found something.
Right.
Uh-oh! It's gonna collapse! I have to run!
Oh, fucking. Didn't see the grappling hook thing. Right. I've only been slightly mildly impaled. I could just walk that off.
The exit's up ahead. I gotta hurry. Carter!
It's her! Don't let her get away.
I almost stood behind cover and then they just chucked a grenade behind it, so I got blown up. Now they know attack by me. Right, okay. I may have to actually put some thought into this.
Hurry up!
Right, so that's that. That's all. Nice.
The crane and the underwater tablet must be related. I'll try going up.
It's got to be in front of the thing.
Carter seems to have left. Why did he give up on solving the puzzle? Are you kidding? How is that not where I'm meant to go? I didn't see the big lever on the wall. Yes, that's my fault. The chains on the pillars look useful. Now I might be able to climb up on the crane. Okay, this statue must be the treasure Carter was searching for. Ha! I should take this statue to the doctor.
Is this that
It
important?
must have some kind of secret. The door is open. I should be able to get out of here.
Everyone's grumbling for some reason.
Oh, shit!
Fair enough, to be honest. If a giant tiger thing was running at me, oh shit would probably be my nicest response.
I've been here before.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, because I don't want to. I don't want to. Oh, thank God, it saved that one. Chuck the fucker through a wall. Nice. Yeah, so this is the demo then. That's unfortunate. I thought this was the full game, and I had to pay
Wow.
for it.
A room hidden behind the wall.
Oh no, never mind. Yeah, no, I thought maybe not. Or maybe that was just where the demo ended and they left it in. So it was like an end screen that now it's carried on. No. I don't know, I'm confused.
Huh? What happened here? These corpses don't look like they were killed by those monsters. The blood on the ground looks fresh. Not much time has passed. Who are they? Why have these people been hanged here? I hope Wake's okay.
Did I really die 9 times? No. Guess I did. You know, so I guess that was just... You know, it is just the demo. Which is weird you have to pay for it, but oh well. It's still fun. Well, yeah. This alone is very good at the it's very good for at least showing off what the Series X can do with like graphics and all that. But yeah, it was good, and I've suddenly gained a load of viewers when I'm about to end it. That's terribly unfortunate. Yeah, unfortunately that is. I could run through it again, for the sake of the fact I have 5 viewers. But no, there's not much point in me running through it again, in all honesty. But if you haven't watched it for any substantial amount of time, and you have enjoyed, follow, and also subscribe to me on YouTube at Titan Project JAC, the same username. And yeah, the VOD's up there and all that, but they can also watch on Twitch. I don't think other than that Harrison voice in my head. Oh, you want to do voice in my head at the moment? But yeah, no. Follow and subscribe on YouTube and Twitter. Hopefully I'll see you next time.